Trusting in Allah, SWT 5. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over a common problem found amongst Muslims. When some face difficulties, instead of firstly observing themselves and their behavior to assess whether they need to change for the better and remain steadfast on the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, patiently waiting for relief, they instead turn to uneducated and inexperienced people who claim to fix worldly things through spiritual means. These people only cause a Muslim to adopt an illness which is far worse than their initial problem, namely paranoia. These people convince Muslims that their problems have either been caused by supernatural creatures, such as jinns, or by black magic which someone has used against them. Even though jinns do exist, it is very rare for them to affect people in their worldly matters. This incorrect advice causes Muslims to become severely paranoid and superstitious over petty things, and it even causes them to grow suspicious over their friends and relatives. This only leads to enmity and fractured relationships. This attitude will also damage one's faith in Allah, the Exalted, as they will be advised in many cases to do things which are not advised in the Holy Quran or the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. It is important for Muslims to strengthen their faith through gaining and acting on Islamic knowledge. This will prevent them turning to such foolish people who cannot even fix their own problems, let alone fix the problems of others. Strong faith will prevent paranoia affecting them, as they will fully rely on Allah, the Exalted, in all situations. Strong faith allows a Muslim to understand that even if the entire creation desired to harm them, they will not be able to do so unless Allah, the Exalted, allowed it. Similarly, the entire creation cannot benefit them unless Allah, the Exalted, wills it. And every case and situation only occurs according to a set and unchangeable plan, namely, destiny. This has been advised throughout the Holy Quran and the narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, such as the far-reaching narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2516. To conclude, a Muslim, when encountering a problem, should firstly assess their own behavior and rectify it if necessary, and then remain obedient to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience, and avoid further problems in the form of paranoia by avoiding people who claim to fix worldly problems in spiritual ways. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website www.shakepod.com.